going on YouTube? It is Beamer-Fonz once again, and today's video is going to be on the Mickey Mouse flange on the E90, but I think the E70 has one too. Of course it's dark and I can't see. I don't know, I'll check later. But if you don't know, the Mickey Mouse flange is this plastic guy right here, and what it does is it transfers your coolant, and if this guy breaks, which it will because they do, it will leave you stranded because your coolant flows through here. A lot of your coolant flows through here, and if this breaks, you will lose all of it. When it breaks, you will lose all of it. So FCP Euro makes this nice metal one that you can upgrade with. So that is what I'm doing right now. I've already taken out 2 bolts. Those go here and here. Once you got those out, I don't really want to wiggle it right now because my car is hot. But I'm going to do it for you guys. Here we go, you ready? There it is. Right on my nice new belt. Okay, that's more than I thought was going to come out. A lot more than I thought was going to come out. Like I said, doing it for you guys. Okay, so once you've got that off, then you basically just want to cut it flush right here. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Alright, so once you've got your hose cut and your old piece off, oh look at that. Yeah, see, that was ready. That was ready to break. Or is that just... We're going to come back to that because I am pretty sure... Okay, I'm pretty sure that's gunk inside my engine. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, anyways. Once you've got that on there, it should look like this, and then it's just gonna pop right in there. It doesn't look very good in there, but we will address that another day. So, I'm going to go ahead and pop that in, and then we will go over the coolant bleeding procedure. Okay, so when you guys heard me say ew, it's because I saw this. Now, when I was going to put this on, it wouldn't go in. And don't try and force it, because I don't know if you see that, but that is why it would not go in. So, do not put it on and then just try and screw it down, because if you have that, it will leak 100%. Alright, so once that's all bolted up, come inside the car, turn your ignition on, so like that, and put your heat settings just like that. Ignore the left side, but 28 degrees, fan on low, and auto. Then you're going to press the gas pedal all the way to the floor for 10 seconds, and then you're going to hear that noise. That noise is your electric water pump bleeding the cooling system for you. So this will run for about 10-15 minutes. Top it off as needed. I like to do this twice just to be sure that all the air is out of the system, and then once you're sure, give your car a drive and make sure there's no leaks. So hopefully this video helped some of you guys. Hopefully it saves you guys from a breakdown. If it does, then my job here is done. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Really helps me out as I'm trying to get this channel monetized so I can post more regularly. So please do me that favor and subscribe if you like this kind of content, because I try and post at least one video a week. Beamer-Fonz out.